Hi, this is Susie McCauley. Today I'm going to talk about luxury. So what is luxury for you? For some of us, it might be having more time to spend with our kids. It might be playing with your dog, rolling around on the ground. Maybe it's just sitting outside on the grass and taking in some sunshine. Maybe your idea of luxury is having a certain amount of money in your bank account. Or maybe it's putting away more money into your savings or retirement. What if luxury is like having a glass of wine in the middle of the day on a weekday, work day? Or maybe if you're an entrepreneur, it might just be clearing a whole day off of your schedule so that you can just focus on some projects that would like your attention. So whatever your idea of luxury is, as soon as you have the time or the money or the energy or the resources to invest in luxury, we want to go ahead and do that. Because the more that we make these luxuries our new norm, the more we can up-level and be open to new luxuries, even bigger possibilities in your life. And those things that were luxuries or used to be luxuries now just become part of your everyday beautiful experience. So I have a little mini example of this. Earlier this week, I still have a broken foot, so I just felt like going out to a coffee shop because I've been working from my house a lot. And so I got an Uber. So I paid for the Uber to the coffee shop. I paid for my latte and then paid for my Uber back home. And I didn't really think about the cost, but I did notice like, oh, that's kind of interesting. That's not something that I necessarily would have done in the past, but I just felt like I wanted the energy of being in a coffee shop. And so I just allowed myself to do that. And it made for a beautiful day and productive experience. So just wanted to share some insights on luxury and wishing you the most luxurious of lives.